If you want to build a 140 watt portable charger for your Makita battery or charge any battery, follow this video. So what's the reason for me to build this rig is this. DeWalt came up with this charger, and this can be powered on with any USB PD power adapter, and it can charge a DeWalt battery up to 100 watt. It's $80. Now let's go to here. Now the third parties have came up with the same chargers. It's only $17.88 and it's a 100 watt charger. No power break, use your own. This is for DeWalt battery. This is for Milwaukee battery. Same thing, 100 watt, $17.88. Now the same company, when it makes for Makita, as you notice, the price just bumps up to $31.50. And this one is only, as you can see, charges up to 65 watts. So this is like, what? When there are two other models for with DeWalt and Milwaukee can charge up to 100 watt, why this Makita does not charge up to 100 watt? And the price is higher. So I looked around and found this kit. It can charge 3S, 4S, 5S, 6S batteries. All you gotta set the dip switches. And on the other hand, you can also specify what kind of batteries they are. 4.1 volt, 4.2 volt, 4.35 volt, or 4.4 volt. So this is a very, very versatile board. You can change the type of the batteries connected. Is lithium, or is life batteries, or is high voltage lithium batteries. So I used this board and installed it on a Makita battery adapter, and I put the both wires, solder it under it. Although this also have an XT60 connector, and I'll show you if I wanted to charge other batteries, I'll use the XT60 connector. Let me show you how. So I have rigged up this cable, which is XT60 connector to alligator clips, and then I have this two plates that I can connect any battery to. So I'm going to use this Milwaukee battery and connect these and charge through the XT60 port. Although in an earlier post I have shown how to rig this whole battery, and I have the XT60 port connected to it, so I could have done through the XT60 port directly by connecting a wire between them. But this is what I'm just showing you that you can use to charge any kind of battery if you have this. So here you can see I've connected this battery and it's being charged about 76 watt, 100 watt. It's slowing down very quickly because this battery is fully charged. So I installed this board on a Makita battery adapter, and now we got a handy adapter to power it with any USB C PD charger. And like I said, that we can connect a battery and charge any of our device through the USB C up to 140 watt. So let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment.